which had a glorious history, which had 3 continents under their rule, which defeated both the superpowers of their time. But then we got disunited, disintegrated. Oh, Ummah, still we can regain the glory, the strength, the honor. Let's go back to Islam. Let's go back to
is the situation of Swat. Honorable guests, we do remember the chilly and stormy nights of January 2009, when almost every night our innocent people were slaughtered in the squares of Mingora. We do remember the beheaded corpses hanging upside down with a warning notice not to touch them till 11 a.m. We do remember the suicide bombing on a funeral prayers where some 60 young men were killed and more than 100 got injured. We do remember when innocent teenager girls were flogged by the barbarians of 21st century. We do miss Shabana, a well-known artist who was dead and shot dead in Green Chalk. We do remember the abuse of our teenager boys who are transformed into suicide bombers, and we can never forget the insult of our saints and shrines. Honorable and gallant guests, we do remember the darkest days of our lives when we used to hide our books under our shawls to pretend that we are not students. And above all, there was no way out from that quagmire. We fell into the abysmal depth of hopelessness. Everything was going astray, but honorable guests, nature abhors vacuum. The historic decision of launch a targeted and focused. The Operation Rahra changed the destiny of the people of Swat. We, the peace-loving, patriotic people of Swat, left the area and we openly disowned their so-called Taliban. When the terrorists broke the peace agreement, our our brave and valiant troops of armed forces cleared the valley of these miscreants just within 3 months. They wrote the word peace with their sacred blood. They left back their children orphaned, their wives widows, to restore us our best rights of life and honor. I salute the Pak Army on behalf of my valley for the great sacrifices they rendered to us. Your Honor, I welcome you to the beautiful valley of Swat, a paradise on earth and the Switzerland of the East. Welcome, welcome, pakhair aaglai, pakhair aaglai. Honorable guests, it's encouraging that the writ of the government has been restored completely. The command and control system of the terrorists is broken down. The terrorists who used to do flag march in Migora, the heart of Swat, are no more sighted, even in the far-flung hilly areas. But honorable guests, all is not yet done. The prosperity and tourism, which was the real asset of Swat, is still required to be achieved by effort. Our brave forces, the civilian gov, and we all have to keep on striving to reach it. We dream to see the followers of great Buddha from China and Far East lands arriving to the stupas of Buddha Mingora. We want to see the Hindu and Sikh believers on the top of Mount Ilam to adore the relics of Ramchandraji. We love to welcome the visitors at the shopping centers of Madyan, Bahrain and Kala. That's what we dream for, and I'm sure you share the same with us.